What do people usually do in the summer in Los Angeles? What kind of music do you like? What time does the movie start? What's your favorite food? Who was your teacher? Would you like to have dinner with me? Would you like to rent a movie? Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I use your phone? Do you have any vacancies? Do you have the number for a taxi? Do you know her? Do you know where she is? Do you play basketball? Fill it up, please. He needs some new clothes. How much is that? How much is this? I believe you. I speak 2 languages. I thought he said something else. I usually drink coffee at breakfast. I'd like the number for the Hilton Hotel, please. I'd like to buy a phone card, please. I'd like to go home. I'd like to go shopping. If you like it, I can buy more. I'm a beginner. I'm full. I'm just kidding. I'm single. It's not too far. Sorry, we don't have any. The books are expensive. Try it on. What do you want to buy? What size? What time does the store open? When does the plane arrive? Where are you? Would you like something to eat? Am I pronouncing it correctly? Can you do me a favor? Can you help me? Can you please say that again? Can you show me? Can you throw that away for me? Do you believe that? Do you have a pencil? Do you smoke? Do you speak English? Does anyone here speak English? Don't do that.